Oh, it started. It always starts without me knowing. Anyway, hi guys, it's 456 Froggy and Kai. Yeah, just if you didn't know, my name's Cody. So I'm just gonna say Cody now, because I'm getting quite bored of the whole 456 Froggy thing. Anyway, today is Bonfire night, because it is 8 minutes past 2. So it was technically Bonfire night. Tomorrow I'm going to Kai's house for a party. So it's Peter, but he's upstairs asleep, as I said before.
In the last 4 videos.
Yeah, I said in and all. Yeah, our previous video was how to fizz your Coke.
Even more.
Yeah, even more on that. We used that with sherbet and just a Coke.
I'll grab us a sweetie.
Yeah, we use
I want a Haribo.
Haribos to keep us awake.
Thanks.
These are Halloween sweets, so we get to eat them because we're cool.
And today, it's Bonfire night. Of course, if you didn't know, it's Guy Fawkes. Not being nerdy or anything, but yeah, it's Guy Fawkes.
So
He tried to absolutely fuck up Houses of Parliament, don't you think? Comment, subscribe.
Yeah, I don't really know much. The last time I did Bonfire night was like in year 3, or as Americans say, grade 3.
Kindergarten. Do you want to know? Thanks. Ending the video by let's go.
Ooh, Haribos taste very nice. Yeah, anyway, this is only like a 2-minute video. So, yeah, that's all. I was just saying happy Bonfire night, and
hope you look at our
yeah,
videos in the future. Thank you.
Wait, should we do like a video on the fireworks tomorrow? Like
cool,
if I bring my camera or my iPod.
Yeah, but what if... Don't worry.
I bring my iPod and then it's...
Yeah, and then you can...
Yeah.